Hello everyone, welcome back to again my channel Luxury Interior Ideas. In today's video, I'm going to share with you wardrobe design with Loft. These type of designs are especially designed for small bedrooms. Wardrobes are important element in every bedroom. They not only store your clothes and things but also represent the interior of your bedroom. Wardrobe is a sole furniture which occupy largest space of your bedroom. Design, color combination, and material affect your overall interior design of your bedroom. When we have a large space, lots of designs are available, and you have numerous options in colors. But when it comes to small bedrooms, we have to take care about everything like colors, designs, and materials because there are some colors which can create illusion of a large space, or some colors might make room appear smaller than its original size. Same thing about design also true. Materials also affect the overall interior design of your bedroom. In the video, we will talk about things which you should keep in mind while planning wardrobe in your small bedroom. First of all, we talk about space. Space is always a matter of concern in a small bedroom. So, during planning of wardrobe, space of bedroom does not allow us to choose any kind of design. If we talk about then which wall of bedroom most suitable for wardrobe, then we can say that the wall behind the bed is a good option for very small bedroom. But if you have a medium small bedroom, then a side wall of your bed also a good option. And next we talk about the designs. Design is another important part of wardrobe planning. Some designs look good but their storage capacity is very less. Wardrobe design should have good storage capacity because storage is always key in small homes or bedrooms. So the design like wardrobe design with loft is a great option for small bedrooms, which I have shown in the video. Sliding door wardrobe design also good for small bedrooms. Now we talk about colors. Colors play important role to appear room larger than its actual size. In small bedrooms, colors of wardrobe is a key thing to choose carefully while choosing the colors of wardrobe for small bedrooms. Keep in mind colors should be light tone because light colors make room appear large in small spaces. Color tone like white, off-whites, pastels, and neutral shades always the best option for small bedrooms. And the next point, color combination. It should be matched with your walls and other furniture like bed or couch extra. If you're planning more than one color for your wardrobe, the design on wardrobe like vertical stripes and horizontal stripes will help you to make your bedroom look taller or wider than its original size. It will be your choice. You wanna look your room more taller or more wider according to that you can choose stripes like vertical stripes make room larger, taller, and horizontal stripes make room wider. Materials also affect the look of overall interior of your bedroom. If we talk about materials, then reflective materials are really good, look good in small bedrooms and also make it appear look bigger. Materials like glass, mica can be used on doors. A mirror on wardrobe door can be a good option. It will not make a appearance large of your bedroom, but also serve the purpose of a dressing table. These type of designs are not visually look nice, but also useful. Here a wardrobe design with a dressing table is the best option for small bedrooms. Friends, in the video I have shown various type of designs of wardrobes for small bedrooms. I hope they will help you to find a good wardrobe design and color combination for your bedroom. If you like the design and ideas, then you can like the video. If you're new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more such type of design and ideas. You can also share the video. Thank you for visiting here. Enjoy the video. Bye bye.